Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to add a drop shadow effect to text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, head over to the New Item menu and select Color Matte. Once you've done that, choose your preferred color. I recommend white for this example. Now drag the white color matte onto your timeline. Next, grab the Type tool from the toolbar and click anywhere on your program monitor to start typing your text. Adjust the font size, style, and color to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the text, let's add a stroke for a little extra flair. With your text layer selected, head over to the Effects panel. In the Effects panel, search for Shadow and scroll down until you find the Drop Shadow effect. Drag the Drop Shadow effect onto your text layer. Now let's customize it. Head over to the Effects Controls panel to adjust various parameters such as distance, opacity, angle, and softness right here. Play around with these settings until you achieve the perfect look for your text. And there you have it. Adding a drop shadow to text in Premiere Pro is as simple as that.